Okay, so the next post, once we've got our stair starter post mounted, now we want to move up here to our stair landing post. And once again, the part number's on the top. You can refer back to your directions here, and it'll give you the part number, and so it'll have the part number on the top. And so we want to mount this stair starter post essentially the same way we mounted that. So we want to find where it planes out to here and where we want to put this post and mark it and cut the notch in and temporarily screw it into place. So we'll do that real similar to what we did the other one with. We'll move it up to here. I already know kind of where I want it, and I'll mark it on the Trex here. And deposit decking is real easy to notch. So once again, I'll just take my my tri-square, and this should be the same as the bottom. So I just push it in, lock it down. Yep, we're about a 1/2 inch, so I want to take about a 1/4 inch of that out. So I'll move my tri-square to about a 1/4 inch and mark it across the top here. Transfer my side marks, and then I'll take my jigsaw once again, and I'll just cut this out with a jigsaw, and that'll give us our notch for our next post. Okay, now that we've cut our notch out here, we want to make sure when we cut this notch out that our post will fit in there and our plank will fit nice and snug, flush up against that stair stringer, and so make sure that notch is cut deep enough. Slide it in there, and once again temporarily screw it in, and we'll check for plumb. We'll get one screw in, low here. Okay. Screw started here. Takes a little easier. Okay, plumb right there. Okay, let's check it the other direction. They're looking pretty good, so we don't need to shim it or anything. So right there's our second post. So the next post we need to do is we need to do an intermediate post right here. It doesn't necessarily need it. We normally spread those posts out 4 feet, but just for this display, I want to put a intermediate post in too. So we'll go ahead and put an intermediate post in.